Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's not long enough. What's going on, guys? It's Revline89. So, this is it. This is the moment we install the new battery. So, this is a 800 cold cranking amp battery with 1000 CA crank, just regular cranking amps. So, this battery is a red top Ultima. So, it is designed to handle some high-powered stuff. So, with that being said, a little bit nervous, guys, because the car has not ran for a couple months. So, keep that in mind. Since the car has not ran for a couple of months, we swapped out the air intake system with an aftermarket one. We swapped out the old coil pack with a Screaming Demon high performance coil pack. We installed a high powered alternator, reran the wires for that thicker gauge. We have new terminal connectors that we're going to be putting on. What else? I'm not sure if there's anything else or not, but I'm a little curious to see how everything turns out. So for precaution, I always wear rubber gloves when working with a battery, just because that's just who I am. So we got some rubber gloves. Given the state of everything, we have a little fire extinguisher here ready to go in case something happens that, you never know. You just really never know. So we're going to go ahead and work on installing the battery. Then we're going to fire her up if she will let us. It's currently 27 degrees out here. It's pretty cold, but this is a red top battery, so there should be no issue since we got 800 cold cranking amps. So let's get started. Alright, first of all, let's take the battery over here. Place it down here. Now we connect the battery. Man, I hate working when it's cold out. You hit your thumb on something and it feels like the end of the world. Alright. First off, it said to connect you're supposed to connect your positive first. So we gotta move these around here a bit. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's not long enough. If we try to put it on as is, we need... Can it move? So there's a bracket over here that's giving us some issues. I don't know if that was supposed to come off with the old battery or not, which it looks like that popped out. So, should be close enough now. Yep, we're just close enough now. just because you never know. Alright, got it on. Alright guys, so now I'm installing the cap. These little caps. Alright guys, so now I'm installing these little caps here. Alright camera, you don't want to zoom in? There we go. Alright, that's all solid, everything's solid, the battery's solid. I do want to make sure these side ones are tight as well. I'll do that then. Again guys, everything I use, there will be a link in my video description to find everything. Please hit that like button. We still need, before we start, we need the vehicle, we need to clean up. We need to zip tie some of these wires so they're not all over the place. There we go. Battery's done. Alright guys, so this is it. This is the first official test start. I'm just trying to get my camera mounted up somewhere perfectly. We want to have everything. So this, alright, now we need to double check. We need to make sure nothing is in any fan's way. Make sure everything's on good. Okay, check out that exhaust. Not bad for a V6, right? Did that for the fumes. Let's go check and see if we have any check engine lights because of filling the intake. Oh, what's the radio doing on? Let's see. So let's. I'm not sure how to change. Here we go. If you guys can't tell, the radio's broken, so when I try and turn the volume down or change the FM, it doesn't work. Sometimes the volume works. There. So CDs really only work. I got these stuff to clean in here. So let's close the door here. See if any check engine lights. Alright. So we got the tire pressure sensor, which is normal because we put aftermarket sensors on and I didn't sync them yet. So here's our gauge. We got RPMs are running high. Surprised it hasn't warmed up completely yet. Again, man, that air intake sounds good. Man, I can feel the throttle response. Holy cow. Installing those parts, the Screaming Demon coil pack, the air intake, high performance alternator and battery, you know, I can feel it. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see when I step on the pedal here. I mean, it's almost instantly. Man, that sounds good. I'm gonna set the camera out there so you guys can hear that air intake. Man, that sounds nice. Let's go check, see how everything's holding up.